my loves, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys or telling you guys how to make a whitening natural, put that word, natural black soap. I know you guys have missed this my videos, of course you have. I can see it in the algorithm, but yes, if it's something you're interested in, like this video and let's get right into it. Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So this soap, when you make it, is going to not only brighten out your skin, it's going to help clear out sunburn, it's going to help with wrinkles, to firm your skin, and then brighten your skin, giving your skin an even skin tone. Again, this is very natural. I'll be putting the ingredients for you guys as well. So the first thing you're going to need, of course, is your black soap. So we're going to need African black soap, and this soap I will advise to make it little, okay, because we're using fresh ingredients in here and this works extremely well. So you're going to need your black soap. So now you're going to take your black soap, divide it into 4. We're using 1 part of your black soap. Next ingredient we're going to use is the papaya seed. I'm using papaya seed because papaya seed helps to hydrate the skin, helps with wrinkles. If you're dealing with wrinkles, if you're having irritation on your skin, this papaya seed tends to help it. It also contains enzymes, contains antioxidants, contains vitamin C. I'm going to put the papaya seed in a mortar and you want to pound it till it is very smooth. We're also going to be needing papaya peel in this recipe. So you just take very few papaya peel. What you want to do, put it in the mortar and heat as well. Papaya peel helps to exfoliate the skin, reduce signs of acne, and treat the skin. It reduces dark circle, it helps to brighten out the skin, it fades dark spots. Next, we're going to be needing banana peel. So you're going to take like maybe 1 banana, just the 2 peel, or just 2. Okay, then you put it inside and pound. The reason why I'm using banana peel is because banana peel helps to hydrate the skin. It helps with anti-aging. Banana skin peel helps to smoothen out the skin. If you're having acne and sunburn or dark spots, banana peel tends to help eliminate it. You see that these are natural ingredients that help to remove pigmentation on the skin, thereby brightening the skin. It contains anti-inflammatory properties, and it also helps to clear out your skin, giving your skin an even skin tone. The next thing you're going to add is your camwood powder. So camwood powder usually comes in ball, but if it comes in ball, just take 1. If it doesn't come in balls, just take like a teaspoon and add in there and pound as well. So I'm using camwood powder because camwood powder helps with skin elasticity. If you're having sunburn, like all those bad sunburn, yes, camwood powder is going to help it. Camwood powder helps with irritation on the skin. Camwood powder tends to clear out the skin and give the skin an even skin tone. If you're having redness of the face, camwood powder helps to clear that as well. Next one is mulberry powder. I love mulberry powder when it comes to black soap because this tends to help brighten out the skin really well. It helps to clear out dark spots. It clears out sunburn. It helps to also protect your skin from sun damage. It also helps to brighten out your skin, reduces sign of aging, helps to treat acne, and it also boosts the collagen in your skin, thereby making your skin still feel thick and firm. So now you want to put all this in your mortar, you want to pound it. Then you're going to add 1 teaspoon of shea butter. If you have glycerin, add 1 tablespoon of glycerin inside as well. So you want to mix this up, mix. Then you can add just a teaspoon of, if you have carrot oil, if you have papaya oil, you can add it in there and mix everything together. Add in your black soap, pound and mix. If you test it out and it's not foaming very well, because most times when you add these things, it makes it not to foam. If it's not foaming, you buy foam booster. Yeah, I've forgotten the name. If I can remember the name, I'll put it for you guys. So you add it and mix very well. Pound it to incorporate very well. You can keep it. You add your preservative. Yes, add your preservative, propylene glycol. That's what I love using Preservative, don't go and buy the one from chemical, because a lot of people tend to buy the one from chemical store and say, oh, my soap was smelling like Sockaway. Buy a very good preservative. Okay, so buy preservative like propylene glycol, Germa Plus preservative, and add in it. Okay, you can add just a teaspoon of preservative in there. The reason why I said you should make this little is because it's with fruits. Not everybody know how to make this thing well, because sometimes you may make it and it will spoil. If you don't know how to do it well, it's going to spoil. But if you know how to do it well, you can use it for a whole month and it's not going to go bad. But if you don't know how to use it well, in 3 days, 5 days, it will start giving you rashes. It will start, in fact, it will start damaging your skin, and you will start having a very bad smell. So make sure you know how to do it right, and make sure you are using good preservative. So pound, 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 pound. And then for me, I always leave it for 24 hours or till the next day. I go back in and pound again, mix it very well so that everything will incorporate well. So you can use this soap after 24 hours, because after 24 hours everything has settled, everything is now ready to work. How are you going to use it? Do not let water get into it, because if water gets into it, it's going to go bad. It's going to go bad. So what you need to do is use your dry hand, take the one you want to use away, and then use it. Wet your body, rub it, apply everywhere. Then you can brush or do whatever it is you want to do. You know, leave it for like 3 minutes, 5 minutes, and wash off. So that way it's going to work. And normally black soap tends to dry out the skin. Even though you add everything like that, it tends to dry out the skin. Don't forget to moisturize, and most importantly, don't forget to use your sunscreen. In as much as these are things that are going to protect your skin, these are things that are supposed to brighten your skin, and they are natural products, still use your sunscreen, because first of all, our weather is hot. What are you doing? Weather is really hot, and the sun is not joking with anybody. So you cannot spend that money and trying to achieve a great skin, and you're spoiling it by going under the sun without your sunscreen. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like. If you've not liked, please, guys, I'm begging you people, so that YouTube can push my video. Like my video, I beg. It doesn't take anything. Just give it a thumbs up. Leave your comment down below. Basically, that's it. Yeah, so I know you guys are not really watching my videos. Some of you say you don't see it and all. I don't know, but YouTube is playing a huge one on me and all of that. I've even spoken to them, but still nothing has been done. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post a video. And when I started this channel, I started out with doing lots of DIYs and all of that. I cannot keep on doing it. Now things are very, very expensive. For me to formulate a cream and come and show you guys right now, 30,000 will not go anywhere. 50,000 will not go anywhere to just formulate a lotion to show you guys. So it's really expensive. And then I used to sell, so I just show you guys and all of that. And yeah, so for me to start doing all those things again is really, really expensive. YouTube is not paying me. The last time YouTube paid me is like 7 months ago. So you see it. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.